What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you are new. If you are new, it is so lovely to meet you. My name is Finn, and in today's video we are stepping out of makeup again for another video and into the world of motorbikes. So in today's video I have got a kind of semi-big haul of motorbike equipment and gadgets and just handy things to have. I pick up my motorbike in a week and a half. It is currently in another county. It's being registered because it's a new one, and it needs registering and all of that jazz. I'm so excited. I am buzzing to pick this up. So yeah, next Saturday I'm picking this up, and this is just a list of all of the things I've bought for it so far. Oh, that was heavy. Right, one of the first things I picked up I have already shown you guys, but it was this, wrong way around, vehicle cleaning gift set. There are a couple of things in here that I can't use on the bike. For example, the tyre shine I can't use on the bike, I'll just use that on my car. So this comes with active super cleaner, spray on shine, I think that's the tyre shine, fast wheel cleaner, slow foam car shampoo, an air freshener, which I'm not going to need on a bike, let's be honest, a sponge and a microfiber cloth. So I actually got this from B&M, that's £20 for the lot, which is really cheap. And to be fair, I have already used this on my car and it is so good at getting off the dirt. So if you want an affordable car cleaner, strongly recommend. Moving on, I picked up some more cleaning kind of items from B&M as well. I picked this up. So this is a cone wheel cleaner. This was only £3 and it's really quite sturdy. So yeah, I can get on my little wheels with that, hopefully. Hopefully it'll be alright, I don't know. Fingers crossed. Again, two more cleaning kind of items. Oh, three actually. I picked up this huge microfiber towel. Like, I could dry my body on this, that's massive. So yeah, I picked that up. I'm pretty sure this was about £4 from B&M again. It's part of the RAC range if you couldn't tell by the colour. More so for the bike, I actually picked up this mitten thing. So again, it's a cleaning mitten with the little jinglies on it. I really like the feeling of this, it feels lovely. So yeah, picked that up for my bike. My bike is going to be so clean. The last cleaning product I got for my bike and for my car. So I got this kind of spray pump bottle thing. So it's an air pressure sprayer, and I actually saw this on TikTok. So basically, if you put car shampoo in here, fill the rest up with water, you can pump it full of air and it will just spray all over your car. You don't actually own a pressure washer, and I don't really like, I know it does an amazing job, but the amount of water you waste with things like that, I'm just getting into wastage now. That's another story. Basically, this is going to save some water, it's easy to hold, it's easy to use, and I'm really looking forward to cleaning my bike with this. I've already used it on my car and it does work really well. So I got this from B&M again, and this was only like £2. Another one from B&M. So I thought I had underseat storage in the bike that I wanted. I don't think, and if I do, it is going to be the most smallest amount. So I'm going to keep this in my bag for work. But I picked up this tyre pressure gauge. Now, Freddie told me that this was pointless and a waste of money because it was, as you can see, it was a £5. However, in my opinion, no, it's not. I like to have that bit of security. I like to know what my tyres are on. I'm the same with my car. And realistically, it's more important on a bike. You have got two wheels holding you to the road, and that is all. On a car, if one of your wheels goes flat, you're probably going to be okay for a few miles. On a bike, you are not going to be okay. So for a £5, a little bit of added security, I don't care. It's not a waste to me. Right, moving on to some more proper bike things, not just cleaning things. This is exciting. So I picked these up from Amazon, which are amazing, by the way. It's actually, you get a pack of 6, and they are, this is the packaging, so they're neck snoods. I'll show you one. I'm going to link this down below, by the way, because the Alpinstar neck snoods are like £15 for one snood, and these are 6 for a £5. It's, you just, what? Freddie has also, I gave Fred the grey one, and I have a yellow one in my jacket at the moment. So you just pop them down on your neck, you can put them up and over your head. You can do so much with them, and it stops the airflow getting in your jacket and making your neck cold. So I'm really happy and impressed with those for £5 for 6. I'll undo one and just show you quick. That is literally what it looks like. It is just like a piece of fabric in a tunnel. You just pop it over your head. I'm not going to do that because I've got makeup on, but you pop it over your head, you can pull it up over your nose, pop your helmet on. Moving on, the next thing I got from Amazon was actually a please don't have a go. So basically I got a phone holder for my bike. Now the reason I've done that is not because I want to be on my bike texting and on Spotify and stuff like that. It's for a sat nav. We're about to move house. I have got no idea about the area in which we're moving, so even if I'm in my car, I'm gonna need to use a sat nav in my car. I'm gonna need the sat nav on my bike. I'm not going to be really dangerous with it. I do genuinely just need a map. So I got a phone holder for my bike. So that is the box that it comes in, and this was like £11 or £12, but it is so good. Extends out to fit most phones. How cool is that? And then the back of it for extra security has got this like rubber thing that goes over the corners. And then also in the box, they actually provide you with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more of those rubber things in different colours. I thought that was brilliant. Screw this. That flips around. It goes in your handlebars. It stays up like that. But obviously all handlebars are different sizes. So they also sent a longer screw or a shorter screw. I can't remember now. I thought that's brilliant for £11. I'll just show you as well my phone in it because like, I am so impressed. So there is my phone in the holder. Now let's just pretend something knocks the... Obviously I've got these bits clamped in shut. But even if we pretend something knocks it and just push the button. Right. The rubber bands have got that. That's not being held in by the plastic anymore. That is just the rubber bands. I'm so happy with that for £11. So, yeah. Intense. Cool. I'm not going to get lost when we move house. Fingers crossed. I will get lost. I'm shit at maps anyway, so I will get lost. But I don't have the excuse to get lost anymore. Moving on to my security items, I've only got 2 security items. However, I'm really happy with the items that I picked up. So the first thing that I got was disc lock. This one is the Oxford Screamer 7, which is a really chunky, fat disc lock. Right, so that is what it looks like. It is heavy, man. That's heavy. Where are the keys for it? I haven't actually turned it on yet or like tried the screamy bit because because my bike's not coming for another week and a half and it's just a waste of battery, to be honest. So apparently the batteries in these things are absolutely phenomenal. They're amazing. But it comes with 3 keys, so I can pop one on my car key, one on my work keys, etc. But I'm really happy with this. And from the reviews are amazing. So basically you clip it onto your disc, you have like 15 seconds to readjust your bike and change the position or whatever, and then after the 15 seconds, if you knock it, it will make like a beep, a loud alarm beep, and that's your warning alarm. And then if you knock it again after that, then it just detonates everyone's eardrums. So yeah, I'm really happy with this, and that was about £40, maybe 35, I can't really remember. So to go with my disc lock, I'm really surprised that that one didn't come with it considering the price. But I picked up a disc lock reminder, so a reminder cable. This was only like £3. Yeah, it's just yellow. Basically, a lot of people forget that they have the disc lock on the disc unless you have the reminder cable. So when you sit on it, you're like, oh shit, yeah, my disc lock needs to come off. So I decided that I have the memory of a goldfish and that'd be really handy. And then very lastly, on this is heavy. So I picked up a chain. Don't really know why, because I don't think I'm going to need it to park it, but you never know what with insurance and work, etc. So I picked up the meatiest chain that I could. This is let me read it to you. This is an Oxford Hardcore XL13 high security chain and padlock, and the square links are 13mm. So I'll just show you that quick. you can read all that stuff. There you go. So basically, it's a massive chain. It comes with a feckin' huge ass padlock. It comes with 3 spare keys, so the same as the disc lock. And this was £50 reduced from 110 on Sports Bike Shop. So I thought, you know, there's a lot of money knocked off of it. I might as well get one that's going to be durable. Right guys, that is the end of what I've bought for my bike so far. There's quite a few cleaning products, There's quite a few cleaning products, some security products, and some other like little niggly bits, but so far that is what I bought for my bike. My bike, like I said, is due to be here next week, so we're picking it up on Saturday, which is like 2 days after my birthday, so it is prime timing. I'm so excited, and then once I've got it I will be out riding and Instagramming and stuff. So if you are new here and you're only on here because this is about motorbikes, I'd probably follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with things, mainly because this channel is kind of more, it's more makeup related. You might not find anything here that's your cup of tea, but if you want to stick around anyway, I'd really appreciate the subscribe. Thanks for watching, you gorgeous people. Stay safe, stay happy, stay smiling. Remember, you are loved and you are worthy, and I cannot wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.